That's gross. That's thick.
The heat, we got the arm workout. Now I just need a lemonade.
Damn, I have to redo that whole thing, don't I? Guys, it's 100 degrees outside and I just got back from a road trip. It's full of bees, bugs, mud, dirt, even bird poop. Let's find a solution and clean it. First things first, we gotta tackle these tires because they are filthy, as you can see. And the first thing we gotta do is rinse them off. We're gonna start off cleaning this wheel with our Signature Series wheel cleaner. So we're gonna spray the rim and make sure it's fully covered. Then we're gonna grab our green brush and make sure to scrub it in. Don't be afraid to use that elbow grease so you don't miss some spots. And we can't forget to give the barrel some love. So grab your red rocket brush and make sure to dig inside. Look at all that dirt coming out. You can always go in with our other exterior brush to get those hard to reach places to make sure we don't miss a spot. Now we're gonna use Total Extract to clean my tire and make sure to get rid of all that dirt and grime. Make sure to cover the entire tire. We're gonna grab our blue brush and scrub onto the rubber. And we're just gonna rinse it off. And now onto the rest of the car. That is gross, but anyways, you guys, we were driving for so long, I didn't even realize how many bugs we got stuck in here. That's why this is gonna come in handy. I feel bad for them, but they gotta go. Now we just gotta rinse them off. Bye-bye. Wow, they're gone. First off, we're gonna use our hands-off snow foam. We're gonna put it in our new foam cannon, the Roadie, which is perfect because it's gonna have strong, powerful water coming out. It's super compact and lightweight. We're gonna use our HighImpact Deep Clean, use our 2-bucket method, make sure there's 2 dirt traps at the bottom of the bucket and some fresh cleaned water, and then we're good to go. Make sure your Roadie has some water and then grab your hands-off free wash snow foam. Put a couple drops in there, a little goes a long way, and then we're gonna seal it. You're gonna make sure it's sealed tight and then connect it to the pressure washer. That's thick. Man, she's thick. Time to rinse her off. Time is of the essence. It's really hot outside, you guys, and we don't have any shade, so we gotta be fast and effective using our HighImpact soap. We got our 2-bucket method, 1 for water, 1 for soap. Our wash mitt, we're gonna put some of the HighImpact in this bucket, and we gotta activate the suds. Dump your wash mitt inside the bucket of soap. And let's scrub her up. The great thing about HighImpact soap, it's gonna help break down all of that grime, dust. You saw even our bug guts that are all over this car. Wring it out. Now let's get some new soap. And like I said, don't forget to rub it against the dirt trap. We'll give it another scrub.
We got the heat, we got the arm workout. Now I just need a lemonade.
All that's left is to rinse and dry her up, and then we'll be ready to go. And before we dry her up, we have HydroDry, which is great for a drying aid. It also applies some ceramic coating, helps protect it from water spots, and helps speed up the drying process. Make sure to spray it on before you dry your vehicle. And then afterwards, all you gotta do is wipe it down. Lastly, we got my favorite, the Megalodon drying towel. Let's do the Sudie throw and get her dry. And pull. Works like magic. Fun fact, you guys, the Megalodon drying towel can actually hold up to 1 gallon of water. And just like that, she's ready for another adventure. We were able to tackle those bees, get the mud, gunk, and debris out, refreshed our tires, and she got not only a pre-foam wash, but a heavy-duty wash as well. So if you want to see more in-depth videos like this, like and subscribe below. I'm Sudie. We'll see you next time with Chemical Guys.